Welcome to the basic set of PEPPAA video tutorials brought to you by the Business Blend Limited. This short video will describe the installation procedure for PEPPAA version 1.1x. Basic digital skills are assumed, although each step is fully explained. Firstly, open the email received from the Business Blend Limited containing your copy of PEPPAA. Next, we will create a new folder within your Documents folder ready to hold the PEPPAA files. There are many ways to achieve these actions, so if you have your own preferred method, please use it. Once created, we will open the PEPPAA folder, then go to the email and save the attached PEPPAA file into the new folder. Make sure that the correct path is showing in the address bar, then click Save and the PEPPAA file will appear in the folder window. Before we close the email, you will notice that it contains a summary of these installation instructions. Okay, before we go any further, we will create a copy of the original PEPPAA file so that you have a clean copy should you need it. Make sure that the PEPPAA file is highlighted. If it isn't, then click on it. Click Copy, then click Paste. You will now have a copy of your original file. You may want to save this along with your other important files. Next, we will give your PEPPAA file a more personalized name. Select the file that you want to rename and click Rename. I would recommend leaving the version number in case you need support. I'm going to call this file Paul_PEPPAA_V1-1-2. Finally, we will create a desktop shortcut for PEPPAA so that you don't need to go looking for it all the time. Make sure that the correct file is selected and click Copy. Then go to the desktop, right-click and select Paste Shortcut. The new shortcut is now on your desktop ready to use. To run PEPPAA for the first time, double-click on the shortcut. Excel will open. As this is the first time that PEPPAA has been run, there are several actions that need to be completed. Firstly, because this file originated from an email, we will see this yellow warning bar. Click Enable Editing. Next, we will be presented with a second yellow warning bar because PEPPAA contains macros. This bar usually only appears once, but be aware that if it does appear, it needs to be clicked every time for PEPPAA to work. Click Enable Content to proceed. PEPPAA will now display the license agreement for review and acceptance. There are 3 pages which can be read from the displayed form. However, a copy of the license is contained within PEPPAA for reference purposes. The license agreement form will only be shown the first time PEPPAA is run on each computer. However, if you click Decline, then the license form will be displayed every time PEPPAA starts. PEPPAA is now ready for use. You will notice that 3 records have already been entered. These represent the recommended hourly rates from the Chartered Institute of Editing and Proofreading and were accurate as of August 2020. Once you've entered a number of your own records in these task types, they can be deleted. Finally, if we save and close PEPPAA and look again at the PEPPAA folder, you will notice that another folder called Backup Workbook has been created automatically. Each time PEPPAA is run, it will create a copy of itself and store it in this folder. Only one version of the file will be kept for each day, but if you open PEPPAA multiple times during a day, then this file will be a copy of the last time it was opened. This means that if any unexpected disaster occurs, the only information that can be lost will be from your last session. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and we hope that it's been useful for you. If you have any questions, our contact details are showing on screen. We would love to hear from you.